a brick facade resembling a fortress, punctuated by a 20-foot-wide steel entry door, symbolizing the threshold between the external and internal worlds. Here, a physical threshold has been created, acting as a portal whose crossing disconnects you from the chaos of the outside world into a world of tranquility within. Casa Feliz is born from the desire to connect with nature, catalyzing a different spatial experience, one that prompts the abandonment of the mundane and embarks on a journey of peace and serenity. The artificial and the natural, built and unbuilt, converge and merge in this wonderful tropical house designed by AD&D in Sasawana, Alabang. An internal courtyard overlooks the landscaped exterior, with a wooden charpoy-style bench and wicker armchair. Nature is an integral part of the house. All existing trees have been left untouched. Frangipani branches seem to wrap around the structure, showing how the house coexists with nature. The elevated pool, surrounded by crafted stone masonry, is separated from the structure by a gravel deck, giving it a natural oasis vibe. The master plan revolves around a cluster of trees, and a square courtyard becomes the epicenter of the house. This courtyard is created by two L-shaped blocks that balance solid and void mass. The larger of the two L blocks is a lower solid mass, finished in clay bricks, extending beyond the inner core, almost shielding it from what lies beyond the courtyard. The other block is a double-height transparent glass box that forms the core of the house and seems to echo the open feel of the courtyard. In the suites, floor-to-ceiling glass windows look out to lush, landscaped areas, providing a sense of harmony with nature and maintaining privacy. The suites are located in the single-story solid block on one side of the L, while service areas are on the other. Wood dominates the entire house, whether in ceiling panels and beams or in furniture. In the living room, sofas in a light and worn wood, upholstered in crisp white, and floral-patterned armchairs create a luxuriously relaxed Mediterranean-style atmosphere. A petrified wood coffee table becomes one of the focal points in the room. On the upper floor, we find a multi-purpose room in the master suite. The lush landscape is visible from every space in the house, whether seen through glass walls or in the landscaped bathrooms. The material palette has a monolithic character, with clay bricks bringing the necessary warmth and the use of metallic elements providing sharpness and a contemporary look. The dining room is cozier, with 4 low-hanging pendant lights above the dining table and wooden chairs wrapped in jute. With plenty of sunlight year-round and a few months of rain, a space around nature has been created. The house encourages living on the threshold, enjoying the weather without getting burnt or wet. In response, the importance of balconies, deep eaves, and covered connection spaces is highlighted to combat the elements.